Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make rosemary and clove oil for our skin and for our hair. This oil is very excellent for our skin and our hair as well. And this process is without heat, so stay tuned. My first ingredient is rosemary leaf. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that tend to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation. To make this oil, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary leaf. The next is my clove. Clove contain high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to growth and strength of your hair. It protects the scalp from dandruff. I'll also be using 1 teaspoon of clove for this wonderful oil. So to make this wonderful oil, I'll be using my palm kernel oil. This oil is very good for our hair and it's very good for our skin. It helps to seal in moisture into your hair and moisturizes and strengthens our hair. It also treats and prevents dandruff and dry scalp. This is an excellent sun cream. It acts as a shield against the harmful UV rays of the sun and protects the skin from sun damage. It also conditions the skin and keeps it hydrated for a long time. So 1 cup of my palm kernel oil is okay for this quantity of clove and rosemary. So I'll just stir it properly and I'll leave it for 7 days. After 7 days, I'll proceed to the next step. So cover tightly and leave it in your cabinet and leave it for 7 days. Make sure you shake it every day if you can remember, and if you don't remember, no worries. So any day you remember, just go there and shake it. So this is 7 days. Our oil is ready. So proceed to the next step. So our rosemary and clove oil made from palm kernel oil is ready. If you suffer from sunburn, this will help to get rid of sunburn. This also helps for dandruff. If you want to get rid of dandruff, give this oil a try, give it a try, and you'll testify. And I hope you find this helpful. Please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.